If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering one thing. Is ProsperaBuilder actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped AI product? The sales page claims you can run multiple AI-powered businesses with 25 specialized AI employees, create content, marketing campaigns, consulting reports, affiliate promotions, and much more, all from one dashboard. Sounds impressive. But does it actually work? More importantly, can it help you make money, or will it end up collecting dust like most AI software? In this review, I'll show you exactly what ProsperaBuilder offers, who it's for, where it falls short, and whether I think it's worth your money. Let's get started. ProsperaBuilder is a cloud-based AI business platform designed around 5 business departments, each staffed with specialized AI assistants. Instead of giving you one generic chatbot, it organizes AI into role-specific employees that handle different business tasks. According to its marketing materials, there are 25 specialized AI employees spread across marketing, affiliate, publishing, consulting, and content departments. The idea is simple. Rather than learning complicated prompts every time, you choose a department, select the AI specialist for that task, enter your instructions, and generate the output. Everything runs from one dashboard, and the platform also promotes the ability to create custom AI employees for additional workflows. Here's a quick overview. Marketing department. This includes AI assistants for local business audits, blog writing, email campaigns, social media content, marketing reports. Affiliate department. Designed for affiliate marketers creating product reviews, comparison articles, bridge pages, bonus pages, promotional content. Publishing department. Useful for book descriptions, Amazon listings, publishing assets, product copy. Consulting department. Focused on market research, client proposals, business reports, presentations, strategy documents. Content department. Includes tools for blog posts, video scripts, newsletters, ads, social content. The platform is essentially trying to package multiple AI workflows into one structured system rather than relying on a blank chatbot. This is where ProsperaBuilder stands out. Most AI tools start with an empty prompt box. You have to know what prompt to write, understand prompt engineering, edit weak outputs, and build your own workflow. ProsperaBuilder tries to remove that step by giving each AI assistant a predefined business role. That can reduce the learning curve for beginners who don't want to build every prompt from scratch. In my opinion, ProsperaBuilder makes the most sense for affiliate marketers, freelancers, small agencies, content creators, consultants, beginners starting an online business. If you're constantly creating proposals, blog posts, emails, reviews, reports, and marketing content, having everything inside one dashboard could save time. Now let's talk about something the sales page doesn't always emphasize. AI software doesn't magically create a successful business. You still need customers, traffic, marketing, sales skills, quality control. ProsperaBuilder can speed up production. It cannot replace business strategy. Even community reviews note that users still need to verify outputs, understand their niche, and actively find clients or traffic. Here's what I liked. Structured workflow. Instead of random prompts, everything feels organized. Beginner-friendly. You don't need to master prompt engineering. Multiple business models. Marketing, affiliate, publishing, consulting, content. That's quite a wide range. Cloud-based. No installation required. Access it from desktop or mobile. Potential time saver. If you're producing content every day, This could reduce repetitive work. No product is perfect. Here are a few things to consider. First, it doesn't generate customers. You still have to market yourself. Second, AI output always needs human review. Don't publish everything without checking it. Third, if you already pay for advanced AI tools and have established workflows, the additional value may be smaller than for a beginner. ProsperaBuilder is being launched with a one-time payment during its introductory offer. After launch, pricing may increase, so if you're interested, it's worth checking the current offer before deciding. Always verify the latest pricing on the official sales page, as launch promotions can change. So, should you buy ProsperaBuilder? Here's my opinion. If you're expecting a push-button system that automatically makes money, no. Nothing works like that. But if you want one organized platform that helps you create marketing assets, affiliate content, consulting documents, reports, blog posts, and business materials faster, ProsperaBuilder looks much more practical. Its biggest strength isn't that it replaces your business. It's that it organizes AI into ready-made business workflows. For beginners, that could save a lot of time. For experienced marketers, it may simply become another productivity tool. I recommend ProsperaBuilder if you're starting online. You create lots of content. You're an affiliate marketer. You run a small agency. You sell freelance services. You want multiple AI workflows inside one dashboard. You might skip it if you already have advanced AI systems. You expect automatic income. You don't plan to use AI regularly. Overall, I think ProsperaBuilder offers an interesting approach by organizing AI into specialized business departments instead of relying on one generic chatbot. That structure could make it easier for beginners to produce business assets consistently, provided they still review the outputs and do the work of attracting customers. If you decide ProsperaBuilder is the right fit for your business, you'll find my exclusive discount link and available bonuses in the description below. Using that link also helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and I genuinely appreciate it. If this review helped you make an informed buying decision, please like the video, subscribe for more honest AI software reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future launches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.